Uh, the fourth exercise is what we call the pentatonic exercise. So from penta, that means 5. So it only composed of 5 notes. Okay. For example, in key of C, we have the first 3. 1, 2, 3. Then there is a space, one space, then here. So this is the complete note for the pentatonic scale of key of C. So here is how to do it. Only use these 3 fingers. So just those 5. Now we will do it in key of G. So the first 3, then this one. You can play it like that. You just hit whatever notes you want in any order. So just these 5 notes, all these notes you will hit in any order. So this is an example. You will do this to apply the pentatonic scale. But in practice, you just do this one. And if you want to apply it, it can be in any order. So